Chalo, welcome to the YouTube channel of SRT. Now since this is your first video, make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Now today I am here to discuss something very important for you. Because of this entire COVID situation, the Education Board has decided to omit few of your portion from each and every subject. Today I'll be discussing about mathematics. Whatever portion is being omitted, whatever I'm going to discuss today, it has come on the official website and I have the official PDF with me based on which this entire video I am making. Whatever portion I'm telling you is omitted, that is not going to be asked in any of your school exam, whether it is unit test or whether it is semester. Now listening to this, you must have got a smile on your face कि चलो finally 2020 में कुछ तो अच्छा हुआ, something at least is going in favor of the students. Yes, so today let's discuss about the omitted portion of mathematics. Make sure that you have your textbook and a pencil ready with you so that whatever markings I am giving, even you can put those marking in your textbook for your further reference. Let's see the details of it now. Okay, students, now we start with the omitted portion. Whatever I am going to discuss now, see to it that you also make the markings in your textbook. The portion that I am going to say that is omitted, it cannot be asked in your school exam because that is what the order is being received, that this portion is officially omitted from your textbook. Okay, so in any of the schools, it cannot be asked in your unit test or in your semester exam. Starting with chapter number 1, rational and irrational numbers. Now, even though you cannot see each and every word very clearly over here, but whatever I have marked out in red color, whatever I have striked out, that is being omitted. Okay, so in your textbook, come to page number 1. On your page number 1, entire page is omitted. So you can strike out that. Then on your page number 2, the first half of the page, that is your first 2 lines of the page, and your entire practice set number 1.1 is omitted. So you can say the entire concept about number line is omitted. Then coming to page number 6, directly come to page number 6. Over there, question number 2 and 3, just above that answer section, question number 2 and question number 3, both the questions are omitted. This was the omitted portion of chapter number 1. Now let's start with chapter number 2, parallel lines and transversal. Come to page number 9. You can strike out your entire page number 9. Then from page number 12, you can see that question number 5 that I have highlighted over here. This particular part I am talking about. This question number 5. This entire question is omitted. Then for your information, this entire block is also omitted. Is that clear? Okay, so you can strike out that in your textbook. Continuing with the same chapter, page number 13. On your page number 13, top of the page, method 2. This whatever is marked in red color is omitted. Chapter number 3, indices and cube root. First page of the chapter, that is your page number 14. The first half, that is let's recall. That entire let's recall part is omitted. So you can strike out that entire part. Then on your page number 17, use your brain power. That entire column is omitted. You can strike out that also. Coming to the next part. Chapter number 4, altitude and medians of a triangle. For that, come to page number 21. Page number 21, bottom part of the page, that is let's discuss. You can strike out that entire thing. Then on page number 22, there is a box of try this. That entire try this section, you can omit it. Then chapter number 5, expansion formulae. Over there, the first part, if you go to see, this entire portion is omitted. You can strike out that. That is above, let's learn, whatever is written is omitted. Then practice set number 5.2 on page number 25. Do you see one activity below that practice set 5.2? That entire activity you can strike it out. Okay, Then coming to chapter number 6, factorization of algebraic expression. Come to page number 13, 30. On your page number 30, solved example 4, entire part is omitted. You can strike out that. Okay. Then from your practice set number 6.1, question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. Question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 जो रेड कलर के बॉक्स में किया हुआ है, those 4 questions are omitted. Then come to page number 33. On your page number 33, practice set number 6.4, question number 7 and question number 8 is omitted. That is, this entire section, bottom part of the page, question number 7 and question number 8 is omitted. Then coming to chapter number 7, variation. On that, for that, come to page number 36. On your page number 36, practice set number 7.1, question number 4 is omitted. Question number 4 is omitted. That entire question number 4, you can strike it out. Then on your page number 39, from page number 39, as it is marked over here, question number 5 and question number 6, question number 5 and question number 6, both the questions are omitted. This portion that is being highlighted over here, in that red box, entire thing is omitted. Chapter number 7 continued, page number 40. On your page number 40, practice set number 7.3, entire question number 1 is omitted. This entire section is omitted. Okay, you can strike out all the sub questions over there. Coming to your next chapter, that is chapter number 8, quadrilateral construction and types. Start of the chapter, let's recall. That entire let's recall part is omitted, whatever is being highlighted in red over here. Then on your page number 50, okay, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. This is on page number 50. Okay, page number 50, question 4, question 5, question 6, you can strike it out. Then coming to your chapter number 9, that is discount and commission. Start of the page, start of the chapter, page number 51, first half of the page. Let's recall and let's discuss. Both those entire sections are omitted. Then on your next page, that is your page number 52, for more information, this entire section is striked out. Okay, for more information, this entire section is striked out. Then coming to the next part, chapter number 9 continued, page number 53, solved example 3, you can omit it. Then on your page number 55, practice set number 9.1, practice set number 9.1, question 5 and question 7, the one which are highlighted in red color over here, question 5 and question 7, both the questions are omitted. Then miscellaneous exercise 1 on page number 59 and 60, entire miscellaneous exercise is omitted. So student, this was your omitted portion for your first semester. Now coming to the next part, chapter number 10, division of polynomials. Again the start of the chapter, let's recall. That entire let's recall part is omitted. Then page number 63, come to page number 63, solved example 3 and solved example 4, both the questions are omitted. Then chapter number 10 continued. Come to page number 64. Okay, on your page number 64, practice set number 10.1, question number 7, 8, 9, 10. Practice set number 10.1, last 4 questions are omitted. The one which is given in that red rectangular box. Then on your page number 66, page number 66, practice set number 10.2. On your practice set number 10.2, question number 1, sub question 2 and sub question 3, the one which is given in red rectangular box is omitted. Then chapter number 11, statistics, page number 70 in your textbook. On your page number 70, question number 4 of your practice set. Question number 4 is entirely omitted. That question you can strike out. Then on your page number 72, question number 4, you can see the one which is striked out over here. That question number 4 is omitted. Then coming to the next part, that is page number 75. Chapter number 12, equations in one variable. that fill in the boxes, entire part is omitted. Clear? Then come to page number 77. Page number 77, practice set number 12.1. Question number 1, sub question 4 is omitted. Again I repeat, question number 1, sub question 4 is omitted. Then question number 2, sub question number 3, then 7, 8 and 11. Again I repeat, sub question 3, 7, 8 and 11. These 4 sub questions are omitted from main question number 2 of practice set number 12.1. Going to the next part now. Page number 80, last 4 questions, that is question 7, question 8, question 9 and question 10 is omitted. Chapter number 13, congruence of triangles. Over there, first part of the chapter, let's recall, that entire let's recall part is omitted. Then coming to page number 86, on your page number 86, for more information, this entire section gets omitted. Then coming to page chapter number 14, compound interest, page number 90, on your page number 90, that entire part of for more information is omitted. And page number 93, practice set number 14.2, question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is your last 5 sub questions are omitted. Apart from whatever I have told, nothing else is omitted in any of the chapter. Okay, chapter number 15, 16 and 17, nothing is omitted. Now, from a teacher's perspective, I am very happy looking at this omitted portion. If you go to see, they have not removed even a single concept that you have in 8th standard. Remember, 8th standard is going to form a base for your 9th and 10th, and hence not even a single concept is being omitted. What the board has done is that they have removed few questions so that the number of questions to practice reduces. In that way, they have given us the omitted portion. So few questions of the exercises are omitted. Again, I repeat, not even a single concept or not even one single entire chapter is omitted. Omitted part comprises of only few sums from the exercise. This is what you would be having for your standard 8 academic year 2020-21. This is omitted because of the present situation of COVID-19, and hence in order to give some relief to the students, because online education and offline education there is a difference. Since online education is becoming a bit more difficult for the students, the board has decided to omit this particular portion for you. Okay, I hope you all have done all the markings now. Bachcha log, I hope you understood each and everything that I told you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content whatever is being discussed, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the latest updates. Very soon we will be back with much more content on this YouTube channel only for you guys. Till then, tata bye bye.